Good morning, students. May God be with us in our isolation and be close to us in our distancing. Today's video will help you to understand the two main parts of a sentence, that is the subject and the predicate, which is your lesson number 2 from your grammar book. Before starting with the topic of the day, let me ask you one question. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words which make a complete sense. Now, in every sentence we mention a person, place, thing or an animal, and then we say something about that person, place or thing or animal. So, a sentence can be separated into two main parts, the subject and the predicate. Now, what is subject? The subject is the naming part of a sentence. It is what or whom the sentence is about, who or which does the action, whereas predicate is the doing part of a sentence. It tells something about the subject. It refers to the verb together with the rest of the sentence. Subject or predicate may have only one word or a group of words. So let me explain you with some examples. Let us see the first example. The children are enjoying in the park. Now, the sentence is talking about the children. And this is your subject. And the rest of the sentence, which starts with a verb, is the predicate of the sentence, are enjoying in the park. Another way to find out subject and predicate is, first of all, you identify the verb in the sentence. Now, where is the verb? Are enjoying. Then you ask the verb, who are enjoying? The children. So the children is your subject and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. Ram and Sam go to the same school. Now who go to the same school? Ram and Sam. So this is your subject. Go to the same school is the predicate. The little tree was covered with snow. Now what was covered? The little tree. We are talking about the little tree. So this is the subject of the sentence and this was covered with snow is the predicate. My friends and I won the match. Now, who won? I or my friends? No. My friends and I. This is the subject. My friends and I, the whole thing is subject. Won the match is the predicate. Remember, subject or predicate may have only one word or a group of words. The next one, birds fly. Birds is your subject. Fly is your predicate. The hive of bees is full of honey. Now, what is full of honey? Hive of bees. So this is the subject. We are talking about the bees. So it is the subject and is full of honey is your predicate. The boy with the blue cap is the monitor. Now who is the monitor? The boy with the blue cap. It is not just the cap or not the boy, but we are talking about the boy with the blue cap in the sentence. So this is the subject of the sentence and is the monitor is the predicate of the sentence. They are our neighbors. Now, who are our neighbors? They. So, they is the subject. Are our neighbors is the predicate. It is not necessary that the subject will come in the beginning of a sentence. Sometimes the subject is placed at the end or in the middle of the sentence. So, let us see some examples. Here comes the bus. Now, what comes? The bus. The bus is your subject which is at the end of the sentence. Here comes is your predicate. On the way I met an old beggar. Now, where is the subject? I. We are talking about ourselves. Means I. So this is your subject and met an old beggar on the way. This is the predicate part of the sentence. Who met? I. So I is the subject and met an old beggar on the way is your predicate. In the heart of the forest lived a saint. Now who lived? A saint. So saint is the subject and the rest of the sentence is the predicate. There goes the teacher. Now who goes? The teacher. The teacher is the subject. There goes is the predicate. Out of the words came a bear. Who came? A bear. So bear is your subject. Out of the words came is your predicate. Did the strong wind blow? The question is asked about the strong wind. So this is your subject and did and blow is your predicate. Are you coming to the party? The sentence is asked, or who is being asked for the party? You. So you is the subject. Coming to the party is the predicate. How nice the kids are. Now who is nice? The kids. So the sentence is spoken about the kids. So the kids is the subject. How nice are is the predicate. Now where is the subject in an imperative sentence? It does not have a written subject. It is hidden. It is understood. For example, sit down. Now who sit down? You sit down. So you, which is hidden, is understood that is subject and this is the predicate. Open the door. You open the door. You, subject, is understood. Pass me the sugar, please. Now who pass? You pass me the sugar, please. So you is understood, but it is not written. Remember what is imperative sentences? Imperative sentences are requests or orders. Obey your parents. So it is understood you obey your parents, which is hidden. It is understood you is the subject. You keep away from fire. You, subject. Keep away from fire is the predicate. Go away. You, go away. You is the subject. Go away is the predicate. Thank you. I thank you. So I is your subject. Thank you is your predicate. Now we will move to the grammar book exercises in my next video.